I have a mini decluttering challenge for you today. Dead plants or nearly dead plants. It's time to bite the bullet and let those go because they really do not add life to your home or front porch or deck, do they? So take a deep breath, compost them, put them in the trash, whatever you need to do in your city, whatever the requirements are. And I think you'll feel a lot better not having those dead plants around you. You kind of sort of feel like a failure when you have dead plants, don't you? What did I do? I'm not good with plants, so don't give me any plants. I do kill them and then I let them go. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Check out the description below for more information about my organizing services, free tips, and ways that I can support you. Thanks for joining me. Again, my name is Jill Annis. I'm the owner of Simply Organized, your compassionate, non-judgmental organizing expert. See you next time.